Hello traders, welcome to our channel The Forex Trends, and I hope you all are doing well. I am also good. So let's start the today's analysis. In this video, I am going to analyze gold, that is XauUsd, and explain you how to find potential trade setups for today as well as tomorrow. So all right, let's take a look at the fundamental before jump into the chart of gold. Okay, let me show you the calendar. On today, there was a news, that is Empire State Manufacturing Index, and it released actual data is greater than the forecast. And if I compare with the previous data, look at the previous data, that was minus 15.6 and forecasted minus 12.5, and actual data came minus 6.0. That means the economic condition of the US is still in expansion mode. Okay, that's why this news is good for the dollar, and there is some pressure in gold. If I check the tomorrow's economic calendar, there is two news lined up for tomorrow, and these both news are big news, that is core retail sales month over month and retail sales month over month. These both news are represent the inflation of US. So definitely this both news will provide extra volatility in the market in the New York session. Until then, we may see less volume in the market because today's news has released and there is no news until this news is. And generally on Monday, we always see a less movement in the gold or other market. Okay, so let's get start the technical analysis. Let me open the chart. This is a 1 hour chart of gold. As you know, until the tomorrow's news, we may have a less volatility in the market. That's why I'm analyzing with the small time frame, that is 1 hour frame. And eventually I will check on more smaller frame, that is 15-minute or 30-minute. Okay, in 1 hour frame, let me mark the structure first. In 1 hour frame, this is the structure. Okay, this structure we were bullish, and after that it create a change of character here. Okay, that means whenever market create form change of character, we will shift our bias from this side, that is bullish side, to bearish side. We were bullish in this structure, and now we are bearish in gold. Okay, because of forming a change of character. We know whenever market form change of character, we have three POI, that is point of interest, and I already discussed several times in my previous videos. Let me do once again in this video. Whenever market create bullish or bearish structure like this, and after that it break the last lower high, and the last lower high will be a change of character. Okay, whenever market create this kind of structure, we have 3 point of interest. The first POI is there, it is called support become resistance, and that after this is a second point of interest, it is called Quasimodo level, and finally the last point of interest is there, this is called double top level. Okay, whenever market get change of character, market need to be test one of this point of interest and come again down. This is the rule of advanced market structure. Okay. So this is our support become resistance level, that is called as BR, and it is our Quasimodo level, QML, and the final level is double top level. It is called double top. Market need to come and test one of these levels, either test this level or either test this level or either test this level and coming in down. Okay. When you study advanced market structure and SMC, you will learn which point of interest the price will test before moving down. This is the advanced level learning. And so keep following us. I will gradually discuss everything and teach you as well. Definitely, I will discuss all these things gradually. Let me delete. So, as per this structure, what market did? Market create a change of character here, and we have 3 point of interest to join the sale trend. First point is there, and this is support become resistance, and second is there. This is Quasimodo level, and final level is there. It is double top level. And when market closed on Friday, it closed in double top level. That's why I told on my previous video there is a chance of selling right after opening the market because it approaches the double top level. And if we check in smaller frame, there was also a good supply and order block in this zone. Okay, so I had already initiated a sell from here, and it gave me approx 150 pips today. That is enough for today. And I have the SL of for 50 pips here. So that was good trade for today. Let's discuss for another upcoming trade setups. Let me delete first all drawing. Okay. So after that, now our plan is to join this sell trend again. So where is the point of interest to join this sell trend? Let me show you. This is the first point of interest to join this sell trend. If we get the price at this level, the price is 2325, 2324 to 2326. If we get the price 2324 to 2326, we may initiate a sell from here like this. This is our first setup for today. If market break this resistance like this and test again, then we will wait for this level again, the double top level. And if we get the price again here, that is 2336 level, we may initiate again sell before the tomorrow's news. Okay, there is two sell position for today and tomorrow. And if you see, there is a two candle retracement here in the entire rally. Okay, and if I plot Fibo at this entire swing, let me plot the Fibo. You can see it is the OTE zone, that is 78.6%. It is called OTE zone. And OTE zone is very crucial for initiate trade against the trend. If we get the price at this level, we may initiate a buy for 100 to 150 pips. Okay. So our next buy setup in gold will be at this zone. It is 2303. That is 23012 2303. Note this price 2301203. If we get the price at this zone, we may initiate buy from here. If price able to break this support with momentum candles like this, we have to wait for this level. This is a support of monthly frame, daily frame, weekly frame, 4 hour frame. So this is a strong support. Okay. If we get the price at 2280 level, 2280 level, we may initiate a buy from here like this for 200 up to 200 pips. Okay. So this both trade setups for today and tomorrow. That's all, guys. So, all right, that wraps up today's analysis of gold. If you really feel it is informative and helpful for your trading, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Okay, guys, thanks for watching and stay tuned to our channel for more videos like this. We look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, trade smartly, trade safely. Bye bye, dear friends.